Today on Max Handy Gadgets, I thought I'd show you this really nice hamburger press. It's a professional hamburger press, that's what they're calling it. You know, and today I wanted to use this to see how easy it was to make those potato cakes. Yeah, and nothing stuck, you know. I don't even know if you really needed the parchment paper. I should have maybe tried one without it, but I think the parchment paper helped. Yeah, I just can't believe how nicely they turned out. Really nice and quick and easy. Beautiful. Delicious ham and cheese, instant potato cakes, and eggs. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to crack this open by hand so you can see it good. Oh yeah, look at the ham and everything in there. And the cheese. Yeah, this definitely is a handy gadget. Definitely. Look at that. I mean, it's beefy. You push down on it and make any size you want. Hamburger, you know, any thickness, you know. It's 3.5 inches. And the thickness is up to you. You know, you can put as much hamburger meat in there or as much potato cake in there that you want, you know. I think it has measurements on the inside. Yeah. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right here. And it says 250 grams all the way to 50 grams. In other words, you can make something real thin all the way to 250 grams thick. That is really thick there. So if you had a nice big hamburger ball, you know, sitting there, and you put this over it and you squash it down, it's going to be really thick, you know. So there you go. And let me show you how it comes apart. I mean, it's really easy to clean. And all you do is basically unscrew this knob at the end here. Just like that. There's a little bit of threads there. And it is beefy. Look at the size of that stainless steel bolt. That's not small, okay. And that spring is also stainless steel, and it is really strong, okay. And now all you do to clean the inside, you just push this out and take out the center. And you can clean the ring, and you can clean the plunger. And look at the thickness of that plunger. That is really thick. That's not going to bend, you know. And it's on there welded all the way around. It's not bolted on there. You can tell it's got a little bit there, you know, where the heat from the welding took place. Yep. Boy, is this strong. Yep. And it also has a little handle here that when you're releasing it, you can push your food out the other end, you know, and pull your mold or your hamburger press up off your food or your hamburger or your, in this case, potato cakes. Yeah. Okay, let's put it back together. It's really easy. Just put it in. Put the spring on. Just like that. And screw the push down plate on. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay, and you don't need to over tighten this. Just like that. That's it. And there you have it. You can clean this, put it away, and be ready for the next time you need to make potato cakes. Yeah, or hamburgers. Yeah. Now they make bigger ones of these, all the way up to like 5.5, almost 6 inch. So that makes a nice burger. You know what I mean? So you can always just go ahead and buy the big one. If you got them big Kaiser rolls, you know, you want to put your burger on. Yeah, this will work out really good. I mean, this came in handy today. I'm really surprised at how easy it works. And you can use your fingers to push your, you know, your potato cake out the bottom and pull your press off the top if you want. But in our case, it really didn't stick at all. And you can tell it's well made. It's really well made. Okay, I'm surprised. I definitely recommend this one. Yeah. Or this brand. I'll put a link in the description for this because this definitely will come in handy. Yeah, no question about it. I'm going to use this again and again. Yeah. Oh, and one more thing. I know you're going to ask me what kind of scooper this was. This is an OXO brand, you know, ice cream scoop. And it actually is really a strong one. I mean, this ratchet here is really nice and beefy. It's got a wide thumb knob here, or a button, or a lever, you know. And it's got a non-slip grip over here. Yep. And when you're digging in, I guess, into that real hard ice cream, you won't slip when you push down because it's got to stop. That's nice. Like a guard, you know, to keep your hand from slipping down, you know, while you're pushing down. Okay, now this is really handy. This come in really good. It's the perfect size to make those beautiful potato cakes that we just made. Yeah. Okay guys, here are the tools we use to make our delicious ham and cheese instant potato cakes. Yeah. And we use this really nice hamburger press. It's a professional hamburger press. That's what they're calling it. Yeah, and this is really beefy and good. And over here we have that beautiful OXO brand ice cream scooper. Yeah, it's got a nice trigger on there, you know, a thumb trigger. Boy, is it really nice and sturdy. And back here we used our 3-inch parchment paper. Yeah, that come in really handy, I think. You might want to pick up a few of them if you're going to do this. Yeah. Okay, or cut out one yourself. You only need like 1 or 2 in case you mess one up. Okay guys, there you have it, our tools that we used. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah.